How to add self-love day sticker on Instagram story. Hi everyone, this is Max. I hope you are doing great. So let's start without wasting time. First of all, open up Instagram. Now tap on the source icon. Now type add your sticks. Now click on search. Now click on accounts. Now tap on add your sticks. Now tap on June 2024. Now keep tapping until you see self-love day sticker. Now click on add yours. So that's it. If you found this video helpful, smash that like button and subscribe our channel for more awesome content. Have a burning question or such a topic? Drop down a comment below. This is Max signing off until next time.